Hi, I'm Justin Ross, Global Director for Business Development. Today we'll be talking about aircraft control cables. Today, Orscheln Products produces control cables for a wide variety of aircraft. That's going to include commercial aircraft, general aircraft, military and defense aircraft, and also, of course, rotorcraft. We produce a wide variety of control cable solutions for aircraft today. They would include conventional push-pull cables, ball-bearing push-pull cables, and basic lanyard-type cables. Some of these cables are used in systems for flight control. Some are also used in redundant systems for emergency landing gear deployment, ram air turbines, and also emergency braking. Certifications are a really important part of a quality management system. Specifically for aerospace, AS9100D is particularly relevant. In addition to that certification, Orscheln also holds IATF 9001 and 14001, both manufacturing and environmental certifications. The reliability and quality of our aircraft cables really starts at the very beginning of that process. We use a consultative approach with our customers to address their needs, making sure all elements are covered right from concept through design and then through manufacture. Orscheln has over 50 years of experience in designing and building aircraft control cables. If you're considering a project or have a need, reach out to us today.